Just look at that wings.
Nice and cool. Now you can rub it?
No.
No? Do you want to rub him? Yeah. No, don't worry about the beak. That's the problem. You see?
Go ahead, man. Go ahead. Just show.
No, don't worry about the bite. The bite is no problem.
Oh, then, yeah.
You see he's hungry, his mouth is watering like ours, you know, and that's why he's dribbling.
Oh, you're dribbling, are you? Thank you. First put your hand on.
Don't show any fear.
Do you want to go in?
Back of your hand.
With mommy. With mommy. With mommy. Sweetheart, you feel something like this?
The feather of the gorge. The claws.
Oh, that's all wet.
Could I take a photograph of you with it? You should show me what to do.
It's too hot for them. They don't like hot weather.
It's okay.
That's a peregrine falcon. You go up there now.
Oh.
Because I get tired. Spike. You know, it helps us to hear them.
I saw a bird like that in my back garden, but it had orange eyes, similar.
That's a sparrowhawk.
Sparrowhawk, and it took a sparrow. No, it was a starling.
Yeah.
And it was plucking it.
Yeah, yeah.
And there was a magpie.
Oh.
And it was squawking away at
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Was
because
did it want some of the?
The magpie? No. The magpie tried to chase the sparrowhawk away. Yeah, because sparrowhawk cat kills them. That's the sparrow. The one with the yellow eyes are the sparrowhawks. Yeah. I mean, we have only few species of birds of prey in this country, so it's very easy to know them. Sparrowhawks, they have a yellow eyes, and as they get older, they get orange. You know. Yeah. They're the old ones. Yeah. And then you have kestrel, which you see they hover along the road, you know.
Yeah.
That's kestrel.
Do they have white on the tips of their wings?
That depends their age, yeah.
Yeah, because they take the small rabbits.
Yeah, then that's a buzzard. Kestrel, aye. I'm going to feed you first. I have to feed them.
Hungry.